So what the heck? So I enrolled in LCC and started doing the massage courses. Then on, I went to another place of hair, and I was able to do hair and massage while I was working. And in that process, I get one of my coworkers introduced me to another company, to a first network marketing company that I really enjoyed using all their different variety of natural products. I started to learn more about the wellness life since I didn't learn about it when I was growing up, and a lot of their stuff made sense. I started using their products, Basic H, Basic G, and their supplements, and then later on, then I met my husband, started dating him and hanging out with kids, and thereafter I met another friend of mine who did makeup, and she shared with me all the great qualities of makeup from another network marketing company that did it all natural. And I really enjoyed knowing the naturalness of that. And since the other network marketing company didn't offer the uh, makeup, I was like, I'm not competing. And so then I moved on from there and started doing a group called BNI, Business Network International, and I just totally love that. My husband and I spent much time with them, getting to know them. We still have a great relationship with them. And then I got introduced to another wonderful company that talked about basically fruits and vegetables in a capsule, and to this day is amazing because I love the science behind dried fruits and vegetables put into a capsule, easily able to take. Yes, that's what we need, and that helped my kids move forward in that factor of eating better, which was great. Soon after that, I went to a hair only salon, and so then I started doing actually massages out of the home, and that was great for quite a while. But it was very interesting because I would go to the salon, do the hair, and then when I would have a massage client, I would come home and I noticed that my symptoms of allergies and other things like that I was dealing with was releasing. I was totally feeling better, and I'm like, this is really weird. So I looked into it further, and I figured out that I had allergies to our dog. Fortunately, shampooing and cutting hair was not always the appropriate thing. But then I went into full-time doing massage therapy from then on, because I was like, okay, if I'm having health issues from being at the salon, I'm going to walk away from that. So then I started doing the haircuts at home and some hair colors, but no more perms. My husband and I got involved with another network marketing company, which really just helped me understand more of the Christianity point of view of working together as a team, and purchasing products online and all that stuff, which is great. Loved it, but we just felt like we needed more. So over time, using these products and stuff, just decided not to run with the businesses and stuff, and I'm just enjoying life. We got into another company dealing with marketing, and that one just didn't go well. So then we just let it go. And we just focused on doing the hair and the massage and stuff, and it was all good. I had no problem with that. Um, I dealt with more being able to relax with my family and enjoy them and stuff. Then I started purchasing things online and at the stores and stuff with essential oils and using them on my clients. And I started realizing, this is really cool, being able to use essential oils with my clients and enhancing what I was already doing, which I thought was great. So I was at a raw food get together. Actually, quickly before that, I was in our group setting from our church. We have a life group, and one of them had shared with us about this friend of theirs that was more into the health of eating better and stuff. I looked Cricket up and from there on, it was awesome. We got to spend more time together. I got to learn about eating raw food, which really helped my body and health and my family's. And then after a little while, we had someone come in and talk to us about essential oils, and I was like, this is interesting. And all of a sudden we realized that essential oils could be added to food. So we now have our vitality line, which is amazing. So over time, it was just really cool that we got to learn so much about the different things that oils, massages, all that stuff intertwine and add into our food. Perfect. It was great. Um, so then I just decided to start sharing it with all of my massage clients, and it went out from there. And now I do personal one-on-ones with people and apply the oils so that way they can feel the difference and they know what they're getting, and they're just, it sells itself basically, because I don't do it, the Lord does. Uh, and this is when I realized this was my passion, oils. I love all the other companies and the products that we dealt with and stuff. I still use some of them today, but I really loved what oils can do in intertwining everything. It was a great marriage with all that. I still encourage other people when they are doing all the other companies to continue on with them. Why not? It's great. You have a passion for a network marketing company? Fantastic. There are so many benefits to every one of them that they all can help work together. Every one of them actually has a core product that can do stuff, so which is awesome. So I've been using oils in my home, on my family, sharing them with family friends, and I found happiness and peace in what I do, and I love to share it with others. I actually have recipes now that I put online about my raw food meals and what I use in them. So you'll be able to go to Nature's Healing to check more of that out and learn about that on the websites. So those are little snippets of my life and what I've done. My husband and I have been enjoying able to travel the world, to do different things, to share with people about the oils. Our kids are now grown up, uh, 30 and 26, and they have kids of their own, so we're grandparents of